This course is called Fundamentals of Welding. It's a course designed to give engineering students hands-on training, something in addition to the theoretical stuff that they get in their classes.
The fundamentals of welding are really useful to know as an engineer, just for the same reason it's like super important to know how to use a bandsaw or how to use a lathe. It's really easy to disconnect yourself from like the manufacturing step of any production line because you're just designing something. And knowing the constraints you have for fabrication techniques like welding gives you a better understanding of how to design a part that can actually be built in the real world.
The main goal of the class is to teach them the safety side of welding. Then we want them to be able to set up the equipment, and then we want to get them the hands-on. Once they have the safety and the setup side of things, they can come in here, they can run the welder, and they can know that they have everything set up properly and they're going to be able to do it in a safe manner.
I would recommend it to anyone interested in fabrication or like that wants to just work with metal or build anything. It's just a very useful life skill to have. It's like changing a tire or knowing how to cook. It's just a really, really helpful skill.
When you go out into the real world as an engineer, you're going to be possibly working with people who have many years of experience, right? You want to know basic things like what is a micrometer, or what is a caliper. You want to know basic things like what kind of equipment is used to make cuts, cut material. Having hands-on experience is really going to help you to be more respected as a professional when you get out into the real world.